right. Good evening, everybody, or just a stats class. What I did is I created me like a little mini script, basically just to answer like the prompt questions that were given to us. Why does probability matter? Probability helps us make smarter decisions by measuring uncertainty. Some of the ways that we use probability would be like for like weather, making business choices, or even deciding if we should just, take an umbrella outside if it is raining. So those little things right there are some things that we use with probability. They say that there's like a 40% chance of rain. That's probability right there. Probability. So another question was based on Mrs. Solemn. The question was, she was a politician that claims that a new program wants to be funded has a 90% chance of decreasing the poverty rate in rural countries. How can she test this? I said that one of the ways that she could test this was by doing a randomized control trial where some countries get the programs and others don't, just to kind of see what impacts it. I think that would be the simplest way to do that. So that was one of the questions that we have. Give me 1 second because I'm seeing like this is not right. I had made two different scripts, so give me 1 second. I'm sorry. So the next question was talking about like Tony. Um, was he correct about his probability calculation? Tony actually was incorrect. If a multiple choice question has four choices and there only one correct answer, then that means you could select the correct answer would be 1 out of 4, which is 25%. So guessing it would mean he would have a 25% chance of getting it right. Now, if it was a true or false question, then he would have 50% because it's only two answers. Um, the next question was, do we believe this sneakers company claim? The company claims that 84% of the people who wear their shoes win the games, and the data comes from a sample of 1,000 people, where 841, which sounds impressive, but it doesn't really make sense because you have to have other factors such as player skills, team quality, and even luck. Honestly, could influence these results. Um, to be to honestly have the best result in this claim, what they would need to do is do a study of comparing players who wear the shoes versus those who don't. That would make the study actually more accurate. A time that I would probably say that I would use probability in my life is whether to bring out an umbrella. As I said in the first video, the weather could say it's a 40% chance of rain, and I figured that was less than 50, so I took a risk and left the umbrella at home. However, if it does rain, then I'm gonna get wet. I actually work outside, so that would not be ideal for me to get rained on. But basically, in conclusion, that probability is everywhere to like politics to personal decisions, and understanding it better would make it will make evaluating like claims and stuff like that, or just seeing different things a lot more easily. So that's it.